Hello, my name's Anthony Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. We're here at Valle Golf Resort to check out their new fitness trail. We're here at the Monkey Bars, which is right opposite the 7th fairway. For all of you golf fans, it's into the wind today, so it is a long par 5. But we're here to focus on the Monkey Bars. Now before we get to the Monkey Bars, I need to teach you one simple exercise. It's a squat. It sounds simple, but not many people can do it. Okay, there's an easy way to learn the squat. We put our feet hip width apart. We turn our feet out slightly. We push our butt back, keeping our chest nice and tall. We sit down to as far as you can go, and we stand up. Butt back, sit down, stand up. Butt back, sit down, stand up. Okay, that takes us to the second part of the first exercise at the Monkey Bars. What we're going to do, we're going to start here. You're going to do a squat like I've just taught you. You're going to squat down, and as you come up, you're going to explode out of the hole, jump up and touch the bar above you. It should look something like this. Excellent, now moving on to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is what the Monkey Bars were designed for, being a monkey. What we're going to do is climb up onto the bar that we've had put here. And there's 2 ways you can do this. You can do 1 and 1. The second way of doing this is that each hand touches every other bar. It should look something like this. And if you're feeling strong, turn around and go back. Okay, exercise number 3 is a bit more difficult, but let's give it a go. What we're going to do is go as a zigzag along the Monkey Bars. It should look something like this. So there you have it, 3 great exercises to do at the Monkey Bars. We have the squat, jump and touch, we have the normal Monkey Bars, and then we have the zigzag Monkey Bars. Again, we can mix these exercises together to have a fantastic workout. We could do Monkey Bars up, squat jumps back. Monkey Bars up, squat jumps back. 3 rounds, a rest of 1 minute between each round. So, let's go to the next one.